Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of you wanted to know how to get these type of videos and how to body swap and face swap completely any type of character just with an image reference. And here the tutorial, step by step, exactly what to do, how to do it. No fluff around it. Let's get started. Go check the description of this video and click the link to get to this site. You have to first upload the reference image. In this case, we're just gonna get this e-girl here. Template video. All you have to do here is get the video that you want to body swap. You can pick whether you wanna move it or mix it. What I wanna do is I wanna mix it, and we can go with 1 Pro. Generate video. It's gonna take a few minutes, or maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And once you wait, you're gonna have the end results that I'm gonna show you in a bit. And here the final result. Look at the insane quality. Insane quality. I literally just showed you this in 1 minute. We have a full course A to Z made for beginners where we have like over 25 lessons. Imagine how many more things I can teach you on how to get started with their influencers, create consistent characters, and monetize. In the course, I put exactly step by step what I have done and what I do today to collect over $100,000 a month with their influencers. If that's something interests you, book a call with us and let's get you to 10K a month. Also, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment if this was helpful.